You are going to love the 2026 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front license plate bracket, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. Rediscover the joy of driving.